Hey everyone, here's my quick overview of these vacuum storage bags. The unique thing about these is they don't require any pump or vacuum to remove the air. They come in a pack of 10 and there's 3 different sizes. So you got the small, the large, and the extra large. There's some more instructions over here on how to use it. Basically I use these if I go for trips, so when I go to an Airbnb, I always pack my clothing in them to make sure no bugs get into the clothing. So they come with these zippers over here that you're supposed to put on over here. Let's try to apply that. So this is the small size bag, and there's still quite a bit of room. So I'll show you how it works. So I got some air in here, as you can see. So basically when you put clothing or anything in here, you just want to kind of roll it up like this. And see how there's like a pillow of air over here? But if you keep rolling, the air just escapes through the back over here. So you can see there's no more air, and I didn't use any kind of pump or anything. So I'm very satisfied with these. I hope you find them useful too. I definitely recommend them. And here's the medium size. And here's the extra large. So this could fit jackets or sweaters or anything like that. Hopefully you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. All the links and details are in the description below. And if you want more videos like this, please consider subscribing.